Okay guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. We're gonna be doing clarinet. If you don't like the clarinet, don't watch this video if you don't like loud noises. Guys, I'm gonna be Squidward right now. And I'm watching SpongeBob in the background, so perfect timing. First we gotta get the reed wet, and then we gotta start out with A, bumpy key. Sorry guys, I'm taking breaks, but my lips hurt, so.
Ring his doorbell and run away.
No.
Toilet paper his house.
No.
Switch out his regular for decaf.
No. We can meet him.
Gotcha. We can meet him and toilet paper his house. It's gonna need it.
Where Hoops lives.
It's a palace.
I'm too nervous to knock. He's one of those suffering What if he's a cannibal and doesn't want to eat us?
that's it. I really hope you like it. I've been practicing a bit, so I really hope you like it. Thank you for watching. Love you, subscribers. Bye.